Our responsibility as scientists and doctors.
I'm working with the in vitro gametogenesis, where we can make a sperm and egg from pluripotent stem cells.
Human beings now have the ability to rewrite the code of life.
Science and technology advanced steadily from the early 20th century. Thanks to the advances in the production of technological tools, the field of science keeps advancing, from GMOs to gene editing. Professor Katsuhiko Hayashi from Osaka University is working on developing fertility treatments. His research focused on turning male XY sex chromosomes into female XX ones in mice. Though the research is in its early stage, it still has a promising future. Details of the research was presented at the Human Gene Editing Summit at the Crick Institute in London. The technique involves first taking a skin cell from a male mouse and then turning it into a stem cell. A stem cell is any cell that can turn into other types of cells. In Hayashi's research, he was able to produce mice with two biological fathers. The mice produced did not have a mother but only two fathers. The cells in the skin of a male mice was taken. The cells are taken from male mouse and therefore have XY chromosomes. Professor Katsuhiko's team then delete the Y chromosome. The X chromosome was duplicated. The two X chromosomes were then stick together. This adjustment allows the stem cell to be programmed to become an egg. This technique can be used to help infertile couple where the woman cannot produce eggs. The technique can also assist male couples to have a baby of their own. A single male wishing to have a child by himself also might use the procedure to develop a baby using his own sperm, though Professor Katsuhiko do not prescribe that, and he is not in favor of that. There are some concerns in the scientific community concerning the technique. The technique is still in its early stage. Professor George Daly of Harvard Medical School said that there was still a long way to go before society was faced with such a decision. He stated Hayashi's work is unpublished but fascinating. Is harder in humans than the mouse, he said. We still don't understand enough of the unique biology of human gametogenesis to reproduce Hayashi's provocative work in mice. Professor Hayashi said that the eggs were of low quality and the technique could not be used safely on humans at this stage. Even in mice there are many problems in the quality of the egg. So before we can think of it as a fertility treatment, we have to overcome these problems, which could take a long time, he said. It should be noted that different cultures will have different views of this technology. Alta Shiro stated, in some societies, a genetic contribution to one's children is considered absolutely essential, and for them, it's a question of, is this a step to take, for those who are not in a heterosexual arrangement? Professor Haoyai Wang, of the Chinese Academy of Science, was of the view that the technique can be done in humans, with time. He stated, scientists never say never. In principle it has been done in mice, so, of course, it may be possible in humans, but I can foresee a lot of challenges and I couldn't predict how many years that would be. Research is ongoing and a lot of breakthroughs are happening every day. What do you think? Can sperm cells be created out of the cells of a female, that is XX chromosomes? Drop your comments and finding on the topic in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification button to receive alert on our next video.